In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly fix the axis center in Cinema 4D. This simple tweak will save you time and give you cleaner, more predictable results when moving, rotating, or scaling your objects. When the axis is off-center, transforms can feel awkward, especially for animation and precise modeling. So let's make sure your object behaves exactly the way you expect. With your object active in the viewport, head up to the top menu and open the Tools menu. If you're using an older version of the software, you'll find this in the Mesh menu instead. From there, choose Axis and then select Axis Center. This opens a small dialog that controls where the object's axis sits. If your goal is to quickly snap the axis right to the middle of your model, the fastest option is to click Execute. In one click, Cinema 4D calculates the object's center and moves the axis there. You'll see the axis handle jump to the middle, and now any rotation or scaling happens around that exact point. This is great for symmetrical objects, or when you simply want neutral, centered transforms without any guesswork. If you need a more specific pivot, the dialog also lets you fine-tune the position using the X, Y, and Z values. Adjusting these lets you place the axis in a custom location relative to the object. For example, nudge the Y value to move the axis toward the bottom if you want an object to scale up from its base, or shift the X value to position the axis near one side for a door-like rotation. Make small changes, check the axis handle in the viewport, and refine until it's exactly where you want it. This approach is ideal for asymmetrical models or parts that need precise pivots for animation. Once you're happy, you can close the dialog and continue working. Your axis placement is now set, and all future transforms will use that position. If anything feels off later, simply reopen the same dialog and click Execute again to recenter, or tweak the values to reposition the axis for the task at hand. That's all there is to it. By using Tools or Mesh, then Axis and Axis Center, you can instantly center the axis or dial in a custom pivot with the X, Y, and Z values. It's a small step that makes a big difference in control and efficiency across your projects.